What is up? Today I'm going to show you how to make Shuri's Black Panther mask from Wakanda Forever.
First, we obviously need to prepare the files, which you can find over at do3d.com, who is kindly supporting this video. I've created a print guide which makes it super easy for you to make this yourself, link in the description.
But in order to know for sure whether or not your helmet's going to fit, we need to run some tests. The simplest and maybe most effective way to do this is to print out a small portion of the print like this. That's not right. Much better. As you can see, I can put this all the way over my head and take it off super easily. Once you've done this, you can print out the entire mask. If your printer's smaller like mine, you might need to cut it up in Mesh Mixer like this. Just don't forget to add supports. Speaking of supports, let's do that real quick. Oh, it fits. Now we can remove the tape and permanently attach the pieces together using a soldering iron. Just be sure to wear a respirator when doing this because we are melting plastic. And don't be an idiot.
Yeah.
I also found that the soldering iron worked really well for smoothing these textured areas. Just going over it lightly made a big difference. Alright, that worked great, but I still want to do a little bit of sanding, especially around the eyes and the nose, because they're not going to be covered up by anything. Safety. Let's smooth the little pieces. And here's me struggling to use some silver acrylic paint. For some reason it was super watery, and I just couldn't get it to work. But then I did get it to work, and it was amazing.
Thank you so much to Do3D for supporting this video. Link is in the description for the exact file I used. And while this looks super good, there are a lot of things that I didn't cover. So if you want to learn how to make it yourself, click right here.